Do you want to hear about one more interesting thing? So, we have now six fundamental rights, right? But initially, we had seven fundamental rights, not only six. So, what happened if we go through our Article 19 of the Indian Constitution? We can see Article 19 goes like that. Article 19, Clause 1A says that we have the freedom of speech and expression. In the next article, it says we have the freedom of peaceful assembly without any arms. That is in Article 19 clause 1 subclause B. Now in the next part, that is Article 19 clause 1C, we say that we have the freedom of union and association. In the next article we can see that we have the freedom to go anywhere, travel anywhere in India. And the next article we can say we have the right to reside in any part of Indian territory without any hindrance. Now if you see from A, B, C, D, E, there is no F, but after that there is a G. That means Article 19 clause 1G says that we have the right to freely choose any trade, business, profession and so on. So where does that Article 19 clause 1F went? Where is it? This was right to property, and there was a huge controversy. There was a huge you can say a drama, a whole family drama regarding the power structure, the dynamics of the power between the parliament and the judiciary. And there was like a lot of drama, lot of tug of war in between these two, and ultimately that right to property has been removed by 44th Amendment Act, and it has been now placed in 300A of the Indian Constitution. So basically the right to property that was initially our fundamental right is no longer our fundamental right, but now it is a legal and constitutional right which is there in the Article 300A. So we have now seven fundamental rights, but initially we have now six fundamental rights, but we had initially seven fundamental rights. So that's very interesting, right?